In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download voice or audio from Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. This process is designed for the desktop version and works the same on Windows, macOS, and most Linux setups. Make sure you are signed in and that your internet connection is stable so the audio loads correctly. Next, locate the audio file in the chat where it was sent. Open the conversation and scroll until you see the audio message. It might appear as a voice note with a waveform and a play button or as an audio file with a title and duration. If the chat is busy, take a moment to skim the timeline or use the conversation search to quickly jump back to the message. Give the message a second to fully load if you've just opened the chat when you've found the audio you want. Right-click directly on that audio message. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way, and on macOS you can also hold Control while clicking. Right-clicking opens a small menu right next to the message. And that's where the Save option lives, from the menu. Select Save To. Then click Download. This tells Telegram you want a local copy of the audio on your computer rather than just streaming it in the app. If the audio hasn't fully buffered yet, Telegram will handle the download automatically once you confirm. A file dialog will open so you can choose the folder on your computer to save it. Pick a location you'll remember, like your Downloads folder or a dedicated media or audio folder. Before you click Save, feel free to rename the file to something descriptive. Adding the date or chat topic can make it easier to find later. The file will typically save in a common audio format, and you'll see a brief progress indicator. Once it's done, you can open the folder and play the audio with your preferred media player. Back it up to cloud storage, or share it as needed. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.